Hey everybody, it's Ron Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make German potato salad. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this recipe based on 4 large sized potatoes, or you can use about 5 medium, or possibly 6 small. Now obviously the first thing to do is peel these. Alright, so once you've peeled them, all we're going to do is dice these up. So we'll go through the center again. And basically we want to make cubes like that. Now another way you can do it is if you just slice like this and make sort of round shapes. But that's just up to you. Alright, so let's move on to our stove now. So guys, just into a pot with boiling water, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of salt. And we're going to add our potatoes straight in. And we want to boil these for around 12 to 15 minutes until they're nice and tender. So guys, while we're waiting for our potatoes to cook, just into a frying pan on a medium heat, I've got 3 rashers of bacon which I've just sliced up into thin strips. All we want to do is cook these very slowly until they're nice and crispy. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I've left mine for 10 minutes so it's nice and crispy as you can see. So what we're going to do now is drain the fat from this and we'll work on our actual dressing. Alright guys, so just in a bowl here I've got 1 cup of whole egg mayonnaise. To this we're just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, a couple of cracks of black pepper, about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, half of a finely diced red onion, and about 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. And of course the main ingredient is the bacon. And all we're going to do is just mix this all together. Alright, so that's looking good. So what we're going to do is cover this, place this into the fridge so it cools down while we continue with our potatoes. Alright guys, so we're at the 15-minute mark now. As you can see, our potatoes are starting to float up. And we can test them by piecing it with a knife, and I already have, and they're nice and tender. So let's go ahead and drain this. And we'll immediately run cold water to bring down the temperature. Alright, so our potatoes are cooked now. What I'm going to do is place this into the fridge for about half an hour, just to let it cool down. Alright guys, so once your potatoes have cooled down, just very carefully add them into our dressing. And then just with a wooden spoon, you just want to carefully mix it around. Now don't use a sharp spoon like a metal spoon because you're going to destroy them. Just look at how beautiful that's starting to look. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is wrap this up and put it into the fridge. You can serve it now, but if we put it into the fridge for about another hour, we're going to let all those flavours absorb into the potatoes and it's going to taste even better. So it's up to you. Feel free to have a little nibble now if you like. And there we have it guys, served and ready to eat. Now this can also be served warm as well. And it's perfect to be enjoyed on its own or with anything else. Storage wise guys, keep it refrigerated, you'll get up to about 3 days with it. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.